Part 7 of Chapter 4. Shamsuddin was one day sitting with his disciples when the public executioner passed by. Shams remarked to those around him, "There goes one of God's saints." The disciples knew the man and told Shams that he was the common headsman. Shams replied, "True. In the exercise of his calling, he put to death a man of God, whose soul he thus released from the bondage of the body. As a recompense for this kind act of his, the saint bequeathed to him his own saintship. On the following day, the executioner relinquished his office, vowed repentance, came to Shamsuddin, made his bow, and professed himself a disciple." Now, when it comes to executioners and army and stuff like this, what do you know of what's being, what law are you being called to live? See, that's the thing. It's not about the office or the type of role. It's about what law are you being called to live. And yes, the freedom from the prison of the body, that's one way of thinking of it. And there's also the thinking of, well, even if it's not deserved, then there's atonement and stuff that comes with that.